passe en dessous, c'est que ça fait quand même pas plus propre sur la table. Ainsi que les gobelets, s'ils sont venus, tu veux les balancer. Vous en avez besoin, les gobelets? On va mettre en dessous pareil. Martin est là, c'est ça? Super. Non, ça, Luc, tu dois te bouteilles en verre, elles sont pas gênantes. Pas de soucis, voilà. Test. Please, everyone, take your seats. We're going to start. So, welcome. Ouais. Okay, good. Okay, so welcome everybody. Welcome here at CC9 for an edition of the Pitchathon, for the first edition. Last year, we were a community partner. This year, we come with something bigger, thanks to SCC9, to Kryptosphere team and all the partners. And I will let explain my teammates what is the Pitchathon.
Very much thanks, Louis. Today, no hackathon like you see, and we felt like the industry needs real project, real execution, and things that actually go live, right? So we made the Kryptosphere Pitchathon. And like Louis said, very much thanks to everyone involved in this, from the production team to the technical one. Thanks for Bettina, Marianne, Diziak, thanks a lot. And today is a big day.
So what's the concept? We're going to have 5 foundations with us, and then 8 team pitching, and then another 7 team pitching their project. So yeah, they're going to do like this, like Shark Tank style, and then if they can convince you, they'll get maybe funding, mentorships, and 30 days to deploy the project on chain. So now, let's the game begin.
Hey everyone, I'm Gauthier. Today I am here. Whoop. Does it work? Where should I put this? Okay, perfect. Yes, great. I'm here representing Avalanche, Avalanche Team 1, which is the community branch of the Avalanche ecosystem. So I will talk a bit about Avalanche and then about Team One. And first, a bit about myself. So I am a co-founder of a protocol in the Avalanche ecosystem called Sozaku, and we are building a staking protocol for all Avalanche layer ones. But today we'll focus more on the Avalanche side of things. Avalanche is the blockchain for business. Actually, it's a network of blockchain for business. We really want to address all the possible use cases that can make use of the blockchain in the backend. And to show you what we can do, here are all a bunch of use cases that use Avalanche. We have payments, we have loyalty and rewards, supply chain, agentic commerce, the creator economy, gaming. So all of those use Avalanche in the backend of the tech stack to some extent. And let's dive a bit into what makes this possible. So as I said, Avalanche is a network of blockchains. So if you have specific needs, for example, regulatory or performance, you can launch your own chain and control all the different aspects of this chain, who can run the validators, who can deploy smart contracts on it, who can interact with it, and the hardware requirements, and all of those make it super flexible. Also, the Avalanche, when it came out, introduced a super powerful innovation, the Avalanche consensus, which make it sub-second irreversible finality. So it's not forkable. Once a block is accepted, it can never revert, which is also super important for some financial use cases. It is super energy efficient, even carbon neutral, if I guess the servers that are running the blockchain are located in the right places. And yeah, you can really build a lot of things with it. And due to everyone being able to launch the blockchain, it's infinitely scalable. And the good thing when you launch a blockchain on Avalanche is that you benefit from the existing ecosystem. Avalanche has the seed chain, which is one of the major DeFi chains. It has been around for a while, battle tested. It has connections to all the centralized exchanges. All the major stablecoins are here: USDC, USDT, AUSD, and also bridges to all the other ecosystems. So when you launch your chain on Avalanche, you benefit from all of that out of the box, which is pretty powerful, allowing you to win a lot of time and money, if you were to launch a chain on your own. So who is using Avalanche? Here we'll kind of deep dive into 3 use cases that are showing the breadth of what you can do. You have Toyota that is building the mobility orchestration network. For that, they will launch multiple chains on Avalanche, each for a specific use case within their architecture. One for security tokens, one for mobility rights, service usage, stablecoin transactions, and all of those interacting with the native interoperability protocol that is also out of the box on Avalanche. Second example of what you can do, Excova, which is a native project that is building agentic payments infrastructure. Previously, they also launched the Wyoming stable token with the state of Wyoming in the US, one of the very first stablecoin issued by a state. Well, yeah, in the US, and running on their blockchain, and they can achieve very cheap payments for agents. Then Even, which is a direct-to-fan music platform, we're connecting the fans with the artist and really making revenue models better for artists compared to what we can find in the traditional music industry. So here, 3 industries, 1 platform, Avalanche. All use Avalanche for specific reasons, and all of them actually have their own blockchain on Avalanche, all of these 3 projects. So if you're interested in Avalanche, we have a lot of builder resources online. You can check out the builder hub at build.avalanche.network, where you have all the courses of the Avalanche Academy and all the documentation, and also some stats about Avalanche. There are, of course, programs and structured support for projects building on Avalanche. Just very recently, Build Games, the first version of Build Games concluded, with 3 projects receiving from 50 to 100K in funding. So we're going to run that multiple times a year. And basically the goal here is to really not only stop at the hackathon, but once the project kind of graduate and win, bring them to production and like stay with them for a while. We also have the C-chain run, which is aligned. If you align your project with burning AVAX on the Avalanche C-chain, then you can get all the fees you burn back. So it's good for projects that do a lot of trading, a lot of gaming activities on chain. You can then get back the AVAX that you burn and distribute that to your community as you see fit. Of course, we are here, Team One, for the community support, and we can give you like a lot of visibility through events, co-sponsoring, like giving you some pitches, spots at events. We're more than 600 members worldwide. I'm of course a member of Team One, and here proudly representing the organization. We're present across 30 countries, 80 plus universities are partners, and the goal is really to connect builders, businesses, and users through events, also online gatherings. Look, we have a weekly call where people can learn more about the builders in the space. And yeah, everything from workshops, hackathon, game nights, and meetups. You can join Team One super easily today. And Team One is also maintaining their own website, community-owned, to showcase what is possible to do on Avalanche and what the community is doing on top of what the Avalanche Foundation and Avalabs is doing. So yeah, the infrastructure exists, the tooling exists, programs exist. The next step is execution, and we're here to help with that. So if you have any questions, first of all, the first thing to do is to check out our materials here, and maybe join us at the Avalanche Summit, which will take place in New York City in September. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Gauthier. Thank you, Team One, for this. Now we will, I think,